What's going on, people?
Yo, what's up?
Man, we got a special guest in the building today, Mr. Anthony Giovonni.
Appreciate you, man.
I appreciate
What's going
you.
on?
Yes, sir. This is my boy here, man.
Hey.
One thing about this guy's mindset is he is aggressive.
Yes.
It's an aggressive male, and I love it because he brings the aggressive qualities out of me.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you hear the word aggressive, right? What do you think of? You normally think of like the dog foaming at the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
You think of
Contained together. Can't control him.
yeah,
Too much.
yeah.
He boisterous.
Oh
something
yeah,
like that.
want to fight?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like can't tell him nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Those types of things. Shut it down.
At all.
Shut it down.
Exactly.
What does being aggressive look like to you?
So an aggressive mindset, before we go on the mindset, because on this channel,
Yes.
mindset, we focus on mindset. Aggressive mindset is not like you're dangerous to society, like you're going to harm people. No, we think of aggressive mindset is going to be as in you want to attack your agenda, you want to attack your goals in life. That means that you're on it. It's your number one priority.
Yes.
Meaning that if you see a goal that you want to go on it, you aggressive on it. You're going to do it by any means necessary. If you're tired, you feel lazy that day, you got something else to do, but no, you're aggressive to the topic and the goal that you want to obtain in life.
Absolutely.
So having an aggressive mindset is perfect when you're an entrepreneur, you're a businessman, or you're just an overall good person. Most of the time, aggressive people, they're not lazy.
Yeah.
They're usually the ones with the money.
Yeah.
They're aggressive because they had a goal. They was like, yo, I don't care what happens. I don't care if I have the last breath in my body. I'm going to be aggressive towards this goal.
Gotta attack.
That's how I feel about it, man.
Gotta attack the goals. We go aggressive mindset. Simply, you go towards it heads on.
Yeah.
All right. And with that, what I want y'all to realize is aggressive is not mean.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're not mean because you're aggressive. When you become aggressive, you simply stop playing about you.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it. You stop playing about you. You stop playing about your goals. You stop playing about what you want. You stop tossing your wants, your wishes, your goals, the lifestyle that you want. You stop tossing the stuff that you actually want to the side and trying to play to the social norm or to what everybody around you say that you should be doing and bending to the opinion of others. You simply stop playing about you. So you got to get aggressive when it's something that you want.
Exactly. So I remember at one point where I was really passionate about this fitness game, a personal trainer. So people would look at me like I would be like, yo, this is what I want to do full time. This is what I feel like I'm passionate about. And people would look at me like, oh, you up at 3, 4 in the morning going to work out, or you training people, telling them they had to be at the gym at 6 or 7 in the morning. I was like, I feel like this is what I'm meant to do. I had to get aggressive about how I felt about being a personal trainer. I had to post a certain way. I had to change up my lifestyle because I had to realize that I'm an example of my work. So I got aggressive in the nature that, yo, if I don't be the man that I need to be, then how can I be able to train the men to live a certain way? So you got to be an example. So when people's like, yo, why are you doing this? And why you have to eat this certain way? And why can't you go out with the guys sometime to have a few drinks? And I'm like, no, man, I'm serious about this, man. I got to be aggressive. I got to attack this head on.
Absolutely.
So if you want to go all in on something, that's what it means. You got to go all in. You can't do it halfway, man.
Yes.
At all.
Yes, man. Action brings results. So if you only putting in halfway results, halfway action, you're only gonna get halfway results.
There you go.
And that's not gonna bring you any fulfillment. You're gonna be like, man, I did this and I put my time to it and I only got this. Well, you didn't do it all the way. You didn't get aggressive.
Exactly.
Stop playing about you, all right?
Yeah.
It's time to get aggressive, okay, people?
Yes.
I want y'all to get aggressive. I want y'all to get in that mindset like, this is what I want, regardless of what it is. If it's what you want, it's for you to obtain.
Yeah.
And everything out here, listen, life is not happening to you, it's happening for you.
Ooh.
So whatever it is that you want, it wants you. You just gotta go to it. You gotta go to it. You gotta grind, you gotta go after it. Alright? You might have to do a little sacrifice, but it won't seem like a sacrifice when you weighing out the scale, like what I really want versus what I have or what I want to do. Alright, if this is what I really want, then I can cut out some of this in order to get myself up here.
Right.
That's what the sacrifice is about, right?
That's good.
So it's not like all of these things. It's not negative. They're necessary.
No, that's good. That's good. Let me put a good point to that. 'Cause you said about being aggressive. So, is there any characteristics to a aggressive mindset? Any serious characteristics?
Yes, there are. Let's see. How can I tell that you're aggressive? Or versus, how did I become aggressive? Like I said, I stopped playing. People value you as you value yourself. So I stopped giving my time away. I stopped just like doing whatever to try to meet the needs of other people. I stopped trying to be agreeable on everything. I started to stand on my own feet. And whatever it was that I wanted, regardless if somebody agreed with it or not, I'm the one who got to go get it. I'm the one who's going to enjoy it. So I'm going to make it happen. Regardless of who thinks, it doesn't matter. Spouse, family, kids, doesn't matter. If it's something that you want, you gotta build it up in here and in here and just go for it.
You took my characteristic right there. Being aggressive, you just not gonna be likable.
Yeah.
People ain't gonna like you.
It's alright.
It's something for the most part. I'm not saying that everybody.
Everybody, yeah.
But
that's
for
not
the
the
most part, they ain't
goal.
gonna
Like, don't go out here thinking that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, that's where the aggressive and mean get crossed. Like, you don't gotta go out here and just be an a-hole.
No.
Trying to, or a bully or whatever. You know, like, we're not telling you to be mean. We're just telling you to make a decision, stand on it, and go for it relentlessly.
Yeah, that's man stuff right there. That's a complete man right there. You ain't gonna bend. If you feel a certain type of way and you got a goal and you're aggressive to that goal, some people look at you like you're crazy sometimes, man. Yeah. But if you stand on your square and you keep doing it over and over and over, they ain't got no choice but to respect you.
No choice, man.
But like, he ain't playing. Yeah, he's serious about his.
That's what I'm talking about. You see why I rock with my man,
hey,
right?
Man. What's going on?
Yeah, that's why I rock with It's the mindset, man. You got to go after what you want, okay?
Please.
And with that, y'all become aggressive.
Y'all be good.